Hey guys, it's Tanoa. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm doing my first little wash and go in I think like 4 years. Yeah, the last time I did a wash and go, I was like a senior in high school. I'm now a senior in college, so it's been a hot little minute. But I'm just gonna start off. I'm just gonna run through this little wash process. I'm starting off, washing my hair. And if you've been to my channel before and you probably already seen me wash my hair, so this isn't anything new. I'm just doing the same thing. But I used the Mael shampoo to just really get my scalp clean, and then I went in with the In Love conditioner to just make sure that my hair was nice and hydrated and that it was nice and detangled, because wash and goes already create a whole lot of fairy knots and tangles in your hair. So you just want to make sure that you start off on a clean slate before you go ahead and put the gel or whatever products you're using. So after fully washing my hair, I'm just going to go in with the Extreme gel. I'm just going to be using this product throughout my hair, and this is the only product I'm going to be using in my hair for this wash and go. And I actually saw this idea from Isimeme Ideko's channel, and I'm like, what? Let me try this out, because it's been a hot little minute since I did a wash and go, and it really brought out her curls when she did it. So I'm like, let me see if it's going to do the same for me. But yeah, one of the main things you want to do when doing this wash and go is make sure that your hair stays nice and wet. Whenever a section got too dry, I always put my hair back underneath that water to make sure it was nice and coated. And this is how my hair looks like in the back once I was fully done with it. And then I moved on to the front section. But throughout this whole entire video, or at least this portion of the video, you will see me continuously raking the gel in my hair just to make sure that it activates my curls, and just to bring out my curls as much as I could. And once I was done applying all that gel throughout my whole entire head, this is how my hair was looking like. I was really proud of myself. It looked good. I could not take my hands out of my hair. I don't know why I kept putting my hands in there. But yeah, my curls look good. It's a little frizzy in the top, but I'm going to fix that later. But yeah, this is how my hair looks after, fully applying all the gel and stuff. Okay, so I have officially gotten out the shower. Honestly, it didn't take that long to do. I already know it's gonna take a long time for my hair to dry. Like my hair, whenever I do twist outs or braid outs, it already takes a long time to dry. So with this, it's gonna take 20 years and a day for it to dry. But y'all, get into the definition real quick. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at the definition. My curls are popping. And y'all, I haven't done a wash and go in like 4 years. And back then my hair was just freshly growing out from my big chop, and I didn't really know much about my hair at that time. So now that I have more knowledge on my hair, I am very pleased with how my hair looks right now. And I can't wait to see and show y'all the results, because okay, for the top part, my hair is a little frizzy at the top. And for the pieces that are just a little bit frizzy, I'm just going in, adding some more gel to it and just rolling it on my finger, because in the shower I wasn't really able to tell what I was doing all too well. But I will say that with wash and goes, you do not realize how much hair you have until you do a wash and go. Like, my hair is so thick, and I'm just really praying that I don't get fairy knots or split ends. I hope that I don't get a lot, because I just trimmed my hair and I don't want to cut my hair again. Honestly, that's one of the main reasons why I don't do wash and go, is because my curl pattern is very tight, as you can see, and it's very easy for my hair to just knot up around itself. So I'm hoping that this time around I don't get that much, and I will definitely be stretching my hair. Also, I don't know if it's based off of the technique that I used, but I do notice that this side of my hair is a lot more bigger, as you can tell, than this side of my hair. This side is a lot more flatter. I don't know if it was a technique that I use. I don't know if that's just how my hair grows out, but this is what it's giving as of now. So let me just give you guys a little 360. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry over the next couple of days, and I'll be back to show you guys the results. And yeah, see you in a few days. So it has been 3 days, and guess what? My hair is still not dry. Like, oh my gosh, I knew it was gonna take forever. I told y'all it was gonna take forever, and it's still very much wet at the roots, like in the back. It's still very much wet. But I'm not gonna wait anymore. I'm just gonna finish this hairstyle off. Like, I'm just gonna blow dry it. I cannot keep waiting for it to dry. If I wait, it's gonna take the rest of the week to dry, and I just don't have that kind of time, you know? So I'm gonna blow dry my hair and stretch it out, because as you can see, my hair has shrunken up to my scalp. It was down here, now it's up here. It has completely shrunken up. Completely. This is what the curls are looking like up close. But yeah, I'm gonna stretch her out. I have officially taken all of them out, and this is what it's looking like. I like it. I like it a lot. I haven't had a wash and go in like 4 years, so this is nice. It's nice and fluffy, as you can see. But I always do a middle part. Let me try going back to the side part real quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is, okay. This is, honestly, whew, I gotta sneeze, hold on. All right. This is honestly the final results. Obviously this is day 1 hair, and my hair will get bigger and more fuller as, you know, the days progress. But yeah, this is the final result. Let me go back to the middle part. I think I like that a little bit better. But yeah, this is it, you guys. My first wash and go in 4 years. I like it. I really do. Now, will I continue to do wash and goes? Probably not. No, it just takes my hair forever to dry, and I don't like that. I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like on day whatever. I'll just show you guys what it looks like in a couple of days, and yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I am back. It is day, I don't know. It's been 3 days since I stretched my hair with the blow dryer, and this is what it's looking like. It's been in the rain, it's been in the wind, my hair has gone through it, but look y'all, it still looks good. Like, it's still very fluffy and very airy. I would say in total it's been like maybe a week since I had my hair like this. From the styling part to this day, I think it's been maybe like probably like a week. So yeah, my hair has lasted pretty well. The definition is still going strong, and yeah, but yeah, this is basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.